Video conferencing on review meeting of the jail conditions in Meghalaya was held on Wednesday. Conference was organized by the Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority. The online meeting comes in the wake of recent Supreme Court order to decongest the overcrowded jails in respective states, keeping in mind the prevailing situation of COVID-19 globally.
Now we are holding this review meeting of the prisons in the state of Meghalaya to take stock of the conditions of the inmate in the prisons, and further to see the implementation of the resolution of the High Power Committee, which was constituted pursuant to the order of the Honorable Supreme Court. The Honorable Supreme Court was pleased to direct constitution of the High Power Committee in all the states and union territories for the purpose of decongesting the jail. Now, as per the prison population report, we find that the district jail in Shillong has total 170 inmates, and district jail Joy 130, district jail William Nagar 50, district jail Nongpo 100. We find that only the district jail Shillong, where the inmates are more than the capacity. We have two important things which needs to be reviewed and looked into. One is the preventive steps which has been taken by the jail authority, and also we want to know if there is any reported case of COVID-19 in the jail, and what are the preventive steps that has been taken by the jail authority. The Honorable Supreme Court had made it very clear in its order dated 23/10/2020 that the inmates should not be physically produced in the court. So they should be produced through video conferencing. And then effort should be made to see that the jail which is overcrowded, to decongest it. And the High Power Committee has classified the kinds of cases where the jails can be decongested by releasing them on bail, interim bail. In cases of convict, those convicts can also be released on parole. So we worked out on the criteria, and this was a resolution dated 31/3/2020. And the purpose of this meeting is to see that how far we have been able to act upon the resolution, and we also want to clarify that the purpose of this committee or the resolution is nothing of that sort that is mandatory for the prisoners to be released. There are criteria worked out. There are some habitual offenders. For those, exception has been carved out. The parameters for decongesting the jail has been laid out in the resolution of the High Power Committee. In cases where the accused persons who have been charged for an offence which is punishable up to 7 years, those cases the prisoners can be considered for interim bail or bail. But in heinous offence, no. There is no scope for releasing those people on heinous offence. And the Honorable Supreme Court has also made it very clear that the Honorable Supreme Court has not directed that it is mandatory for the accused persons to be released on bail. And this clarification came from the Honorable Supreme Court in the context of the state of Bihar. In the state of Bihar, no prisoners were released. So the Supreme Court said it's the discretion of the high power, the courts, whether the prisoners to be released or not. But the primary objective is to see is that the overcrowded prisons are decongested in the wake of this COVID-19. So we are trying to review the conditions of the inmates in the jail. We will also take in any suggestions which comes forward, or any other preventive steps is to be taken. So far as Meghalaya is concerned, the jail population report reveals that the jails in districts like William Nagar, Nongpo, it is within the limits. It is not overcrowded. And pursuant to the High Power Committee's resolutions, the district legal service authorities have taken action, and till date they have released almost 300 prisoners. Yes, they have taken steps in the East Khasi Hill. They have released 148 prisoners. And after we review the conditions of the prison and jail, and probably we will be having a meeting of the high power committee, and all the reports will be placed before the high power committee, and then appropriate decisions will be taken. If required for further decongestion of any prison which is overcrowded, steps will be taken, necessary directions will be issued.